Ever pondered why protein is hailed as the cornerstone of muscle building? It's not just about bulking up, it's about fostering stronger, more resilient muscles. But in the vast sea of protein sources, which ones truly help you build muscle effectively and which ones might just be spinning your wheels? First up, let's dive into animal-based proteins. Consider the ubiquitous chicken breast, a staple in many fitness enthusiasts' diets. Packed with lean protein and essential amino acids, it aids in muscle repair and growth post-workout. However, it's important to remember that methods of preparation matter. Grilling or baking chicken preserves its nutritional integrity far better than frying. Switching gears, let's talk about whey protein. This byproduct of cheesemaking is rich in all the essential amino acids needed for muscle recovery. It's absorbed quickly by the body, making it an excellent post-workout choice. On the flip side, those with lactose intolerance might experience digestive discomfort, pointing to the necessity of tuning into your body's responses. Now, let's not overlook plant-based proteins. Take quinoa, for example. This grain is a complete protein, which is a rarity in the plant kingdom. It's also packed with fiber and minerals. However, to meet your protein needs solely from plant sources, you generally need to consume larger quantities compared to animal proteins. Furthermore, the rise of plant-based supplements has introduced options like pea protein, which is hypoallergenic and easy on the stomach. Yet, it's crucial to blend different plant proteins to ensure you're getting a complete amino acid profile. Creatine, while not a protein, deserves a mention. Often found in red meat, this compound supports energy production in muscle cells and can enhance the effects of resistance training. However, creatine isn't a magic bullet. It's most effective when used in conjunction with a solid workout regimen and balanced nutrition. In summary, the best protein source for muscle building depends largely on individual dietary needs, tolerances, and preferences. Animal proteins like chicken and whey offer high-quality, complete proteins with all the essential amino acids. On the other hand, plant-based proteins like quinoa and pea protein provide valuable alternatives for those following vegetarian or vegan diets. Remember, variety is key. Mixing different protein sources can ensure a balanced intake of all necessary nutrients for optimal muscle growth. So whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting your fitness journey, understanding these nuances can help you choose the right proteins to support your muscle building goals.